So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your pocket, and Qwen 3.8 is launching soon and going open weight also. As you can see, this is the official tweet coming from Alibaba Qwen. Qwen 3.8 is launching and going open source soon with a massive 2.4 trillion parameters. That's humongous. I think compared to Kimi K3, which was 2.8 trillion, still smaller, but 2.4 trillion parameters is just huge. This model is continuously evolving. We believe it's one of the most powerful model available today, compatible with leading frontier AI models and second only to Fable 5. So my friends, a big news coming from the open arena again. That is Qwen team after a long time open sourcing a model called as Qwen 3.8. That is humongous 2.40. We don't have to wait to test this just now. The Qwen 3.8 Max Preview made its debut on Alibaba Token Plan, Coder and Coder Work. Be amongst the first ones to try it out. So the model is also available on Alibaba's Token Plan, Coder and Coder Work. Can't wait to hear what you build. Just stay tuned. You can click on this particular plan. I'm not from China. We are from India, so I'll click on this international plan. Token upgrade shows which models are available, and at the top you can see set get Qwen 3.8 Max preview. So Qwen 3.8 Max has been released for everyone. It's available on API basis for now, and you can try out the model also on the API for So there is crazy news coming from Qwen team. I think for a very long time they haven't released anything major, and Qwen 3.8 coming out at this time is a massive release for sure. I think this will be competing with Kimi K3 also, and I think again Kimi K3 is already given a tough fight to Claude Fable 5. So this would be very interesting to watch how Qwen 3.8 compares with Claude Fable and Kimi K3 both. I think JLM soon needs to come up with more ideas, because what I can say is that the open source arena is gearing up very fast and getting us some great models that are competing with not just open source models but also the paid ones. So why would someone pay for it? We don't know. These are huge models that you can't run locally, and once the model is open source, then we'll be talking more about this Qwen 3.8 Max. For now, the news is that Qwen 3.8 has released 2.4 trillion parameters, humongous, just second to Claude Fable 5 as the team has mentioned. Stay tuned. Hope to see you next with more information on Qwen 3.8. Thank you so much.